Hi everyone, welcome back to the video series on RRB examination and preparation tips. This is the only book you need to crack the RRB Pharmacist 2025 exam because it is prepared as per the syllabus given by RRB and which covers both theory, MCQ with answers and justifications, and it also covers previous year papers. So this is the cover page of the book. So we'll move on to the table of contents of this book. So as I said, this is prepared as per the syllabus copy of RRB, and in previous video I have shown the syllabus copy of the RRB pharmacist examination where they have given 37 subjects. So you can see the book and the contents of the book, it has 37 subjects. You can see all the 37 subjects according to the syllabus. So this is the contents page of the RRB book, GVKEDU RRB book. So now, as I said in earlier videos, I wanted to make exclusive video series on RRB pharmacist examination and individual subjects. So we'll make series of videos. So in the first video, today's video, I wanted to make some notes on pharmaceutics subject, so which is a very important core subjects, I would say. Pharmaceutics, here it is. So we have many subjects, but if you take core subjects, pharmacology, pharmaceutics, forensic pharmacy, so in this way we'll get core subjects, and from that today I'm taking pharmaceutics subject. Okay, but if you look at the syllabus, if you look at the contents, it has 37 subjects. Okay, so do not worry because many of these subjects comes under core areas. Let's say for example pharmaceutics. Okay, under pharmaceutics there are many other subjects comes under pharmaceutics. So today I'm going to tell you, let's say for example under pharmaceutics, yeah, this is, I would say, pharmaceutics main. And next if you go on with the other subjects, physical pharmaceutics also comes under pharmaceutics. Pharmaceutical engineering also comes under this. Industrial pharmacy, herbal drug technology, biopharmaceutics and pharmacokinetics, quality assurance, and novel drug delivery system, and quality control and standardization of herbs, cosmetic science. So all these are different subjects which actually comes under pharmaceutics. Let's count on these subjects: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So around 9 subjects, okay, comes under pharmaceutics. So I said do not worry about the number of, by looking at the number of subjects, because most of the subjects given in the syllabus copy will comes under one of the core subject. And now we have seen under pharmaceutics 9 subjects are comes under the pharmaceutics. So if you cover the pharmaceutics, that means you are done with 9 subjects. So in this way we have to simplify the preparation procedure. Okay, and yeah, this way we have to look at, so core areas and core subjects and sub subjects. So moving on to the pharmaceutics and related subjects. Okay, and you can look at this pharmaceutics, which is a main subject where you have to focus on some core areas, especially based on previous year question papers. You have to focus mainly on dosage forms, okay, and basics of the formulation, okay, and some of the processing steps and techniques. Let's say all the dosage forms, like starting from the tablets, capsules, ointments, emulsions, okay, and processing steps like wet granulation, dry granulation, compression methods, and some of the techniques, let's say mixing, drying, filtration, sterilization. So all these are very very important core areas comes under pharmaceutics, which is considered as main core, and you can expect a lot of questions from this area. And next, another related subject comes under pharmaceutics is physical pharmacy. Okay, so under physical pharmacy, you need to cover some of the pre-formulations, solubility, diffusion, partition coefficient, and stability studies. So let's say, for example, BCS classification is very very important. pH and buffer concept, rheology, surface tension, HLB concept, and adsorption concept. So all these are very very important from physical pharmacy. You have to focus on these particular core areas first and expertise on these topics, and you have to go on with the other topics. Next very important subject comes under pharmaceutics, that is pharmaceutical engineering. So all the unit operations comes under pharmaceutical engineering, so fluidized bed dryer, different drying techniques, different evaporation techniques, different filtration and milling, ball mill, and other different types of mills, hammer mill, and its principles and applications are very very important. Okay, so you need to cover all these topics under pharmaceutical engineering. Biopharmaceutics and pharmacokinetics, this is also very very important subject, actually comes under pharmaceutics, where you have to cover ADME, absorption, distribution, metabolism, execution, and rate of drug availability, like bioavailability, bioequivalence, half-life, volume of distribution, clearance, and formulas for the all these clearance, half-life, and everything. So all the pharmacokinetic properties, parameters, very very important from biopharmaceutics and pharmacokinetics. Very simple definitions, very simple formulas. So they are like very direct questions can be asked. Okay, so this is also very important. And next, kind of advanced pharmaceutics subject, related subject, that is NDDS, novel drug delivery system. So where you are going to study some of the novel delivery systems like transdermal patches, buccal dosage forms, nasal, ocular, and implants, liposomes, nanoparticles, microspheres. You need not to go in detail of these particular topics because they are very vast, but you need to cover at the level of diploma, I mean superficial overview of these particular topics, let's say definitions, examples, kind of that's it. That kind of information is sufficient. And next, another related subject, industrial pharmacy, where you are going to study some validation procedures and CGMP topics. And another subject, pharmacy practice, prescription handling, and pharmaceutical prescriptions are very very important. You can expect many many questions from the prescriptions. Next, quality assurance also comes under pharmaceutics, GMP, GLP, documentation practices, and errors actually comes under pharmacy practice. SOPs, calibrations of the instruments, so IPQC, types of validations, process validation, analytical validation, all these are very very important core areas you have to focus. And finally, cosmetic science also comes under pharmaceutics. Formulation of some kind of cosmetics, let's say shampoos, creams, lipsticks, deodorants. So they'll ask very very simple questions. So what is the ingredients specifically used in shampoos, or specifically used in lipsticks, deodorants, etc., and the stability tests and pH tests. Very very simple, fundamental, superficial information you have to learn from cosmetic science. So this way, all these subjects are related to the pharmaceutics core subject. So if you cover pharmaceutics, you can cover almost 9 subjects at a time. So this is very very important, and you can expect majority of questions. So I have made a video on weightage of the questions respect to each subject. So if anyone missed that video, you can just go and watch the previous video on weightage and strategy of the subjects. And finally, all the subjects what I have explained, okay, all the subjects are given in a very in detailed way, covering theory, MCQs, justifications, answers, and even previous year questions. So in one particular book, that is GVK EDU RRB Pharmacist Book. So that is available on Amazon.in. So you can just go visit the site and you can add to the cart. Now it is on a special discount of 63% discount, and it comes like 599. So it's a very good opportunity to grab this book. So I hope this video makes sense and gives some kind of clear picture on how to start your preparation. As pharmaceutics is important, I suggest everyone to start with one of the core major subject, that is pharmaceutics. So in coming videos I'll be making individual videos on related subjects of pharmaceutics, and at that time I'll explain more core areas, core concepts where you need to focus more. So I hope you like this video and it is useful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.